Today we're going to be making these bats, and we use toilet paper rolls, so we're recycling while making this art project as well. And we can make a girl one or we can make a boy one. I already have these pre-cut black pieces of paper. We're going to start with a thick one that's the same size as my toilet paper roll. Right in the middle of the thick one, with it going landscape just like this from side to side, I'm going to draw two big eyes with a white colored pencil. Nice and big. Then I'm going to color them in, and notice that I added a second little circle inside the eyes that I'm going to leave black. Then after I color in these eyes, I'm going to make a nose. This nose is going to be like an upside down heart. If you can't do an upside down heart, that's okay. Just try your best. Everybody's art's going to look differently, and we learn from our mistakes, so it's okay if it's a little messed up. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see this a little better. I've got two eyes and a nose, and I've colored them in using my white colored pencil. Then we're going to make a mouth, and it's okay if it's a little wiggly. Everyone's mouth is a little different. I'm going to make two triangles on that mouth, which are going to be the teeth. Then I'm going to color them in. And remember, if you can't keep up and you need to pause the video, it's always okay to pause the video to catch up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the face over. So I'm going to take this face, I'm going to flip it over, because I don't want to put glue on the face, I want to put glue on the back. Now sometimes our glue bottles need a little extra help, and so I'm going to screw it all the way down, pick off any dry glue off of the glue bottle, make sure that's not clogged up, and then I'm going to screw it all the way open. And you can see that it's open by this screwing open, and then when it's screwed down like this, it means it's closed. So I'm going to screw it all the way open. Then this bottle is almost out, so I've got to wait a little while for the glue to travel to the tip of the glue bottle. Then I'm going to put dots of glue on the far side of my paper. I'm going to put dots of glue down the middle of my paper, and then the very corner, it's important to get both corners, and then I'm going to put dots in between as well. And notice that my dots aren't big globs of glue, they're just little dots. Then I'm going to take my toilet paper roll, a recycled toilet paper roll, I'm going to set it on top of this row of glue, and then I'm going to push it off to the side. It's because we're not going to use it right now. We're going to let it start to dry there. Then I'm going to take our long skinny piece of paper, black paper, and I'm going to do the wings. To make these wings, I'm going to start in the very middle, and I'm going to draw a square or a rectangle just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to draw a rainbow line going all the way off the page. I'm going to do that on this side too. So I've gone from the corner of my square, and I've drawn two rainbow lines going opposite ways all the way off my page. Then I'm going to make a curved line coming down on both sides, just like that. Then another curved line coming down. These are pretty big curved lines. One more. If you need another one, you can, to get a little bit closer to the square. But then I'm just going to come up to the corners of the square just like that. Now, before I cut into this and go throwing away my trash, I'm going to need ears for my bat that I'm going to glue on the inside. So the way I'm going to make my ears is I'm going to take this paper here, and where my wings come in here, I'm just going to cut off the corner of my black paper. I'm going to cut off the other corner as well. So I have two corners of my black paper from my wing page, and those will be our ears later. Then I'm going to cut out this paper. Now I'm using small scissors, and so I have to only put two fingers in these small scissors and my pointing finger on top. But these scissors work fine if I take my time. I'm going to cut around my bat wings. Remember, don't cut right here. We don't want to cut right here where it's on the inside of our square, because then it'll cut the wing right off. We want to keep these wings together. So don't cut down that square. Taking my time, making sure to cut out these curves. These curves are sometimes hard, and so I'm rotating my paper as I cut. You can see that I turn my paper so that I can get the correct angle. Just like this, I'm rotating it as I cut. Taking it nice and slow, and then right off. Okay. Now I have my wings, my 2 triangles for my ears, and my toilet paper roll. So now it's time to roll around the toilet paper. And this isn't going to instantly glue. I'm going to have to, if I let go, it's going to open up. So I'm going to have to hold it down. I want to make sure that I do have glue on the very edge. If you don't have glue on the very edge of the paper, then you might have to add a little bit more, but you should have glue right there. It doesn't need globs of glue, just a little bit of glue will do, but I'm going to have to hold it down for more than 30 seconds. So I'm going to hold, I'm going to hold, I'm going to hold, and hold some more, and just when you think that you're done holding, hold a little bit longer. And you can see how this is starting to glue. So you can kind of test it by moving one thumb and then moving the other thumb and seeing if it's popping up here. Mine, I didn't use too much glue and I didn't use too little glue, so mine is done. But if you used more glue, then you're gonna have to hold it longer. And if you didn't use enough glue, then you might have to add just a little bit more. But it doesn't take a lot of glue. Okay, mine's done, and it's ready to glue. I forgot to tell you, if you wanted to make yours a girl, all you would have to do is add some eyelashes onto her eyes, and turn it into a girl. All right, now we're ready to glue on the ears. And so we're gonna do the ears before we do the wings. I'm going to see where the eyes are, just above the eyes. On the inside, I'm going to put a dot of glue on the inside of the toilet paper roll. Then I'm gonna take a triangle, stick it in there, and make sure it's sticking above the toilet paper roll. Just like that. And there's the ears. Now all we have to do is put a square of glue down right in the middle of our wings. Set our bat down to where it looks like the wings fit. You can kind of hold the toilet paper roll there for a few seconds and then just let it go and let it sit there for more than 30 seconds so that it'll dry. And then you have a really nice bat. You can see here, mine looks like a girl. I've added the wings, I've added the ears. It's a really nice little toilet paper bat that's a recycled art project. Now, if you want to go a step further, this will take a little bit more time, but we can flip it over, and down here we can create feet for the bat, and this will allow the bat to hang on something like this, hang upside down. Now if you want yours to stand up like this, stand up, then you don't want to add these because this will make it to where it has to hang, but it'll allow it to hang like little feet if you want to. And what I've done was I've glued these pipe cleaners on the inside of this toilet paper roll, but it does take a lot of glue and it takes a really long time for it to dry. And so the way I've done this was I've put a glob of glue in there, 2 globs of glue, 1 for each foot, just like that, and it's quite a bit of glue. Then on the other side, I've curled it to make that foot to hang on. Then I've glued the entire other thing, the entire other end of the pipe cleaner. I've glued it in there. And you can see how I've got a glob of glue. I'm even gonna add a little bit more glue in there to make sure that it sticks. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. And if you want, you can even leave the side of the curled side. You can leave it uncurled, just make sure that it's extra long until it dries, and then you can curl it after it dries if you feel the need for that. But it does take a lot of glue, and it'll take about an hour for it to dry with that glob of glue. So you'll have to leave it for quite a bit longer. All right, now you're ready to make your own recycled bat projects. Fun, fun. Have fun.